Certainly. Here's a detailed prompt-wise breakdown that you can use to create a comprehensive video tutorial on building a DIY drone at home. Video title: Build Your Own Quadcopter Drone, Step-by-Step Guide 1. Introduction, purpose of the video. Introduce yourself and the goal of the video to teach viewers how to build a quadcopter drone from scratch. What you'll learn. Overview of the components required, assembly process, configuration, and flight testing. Safety reminder. Brief reminder about safety while handling equipment and flying the drone. 2. Materials needed visuals. Display each item while explaining. Frame. Mention material, carbon fiber, plastic, etc. And size, 250 mm to 450 mm. Brushless Motors. Explain necessary specifications, kV rating. Electronic speed controllers, ESC. Detail their role in controlling motor speed, 4 required. Propellers. Describe sizes and types suitable for motors. Flight controller. Mention importance and types.
A carbon fiber
example,
frame,
beta
250
flight.
to 450
Battery.
millimeters.
Explain
Brushless
types,
motors, check the
LiPo,
kV
3S
rating,
or
and
4S.
4 ESC.
Transmitter and receiver. Describe their function in remote control. Charger. Mention the type needed for LiPo batteries. Extras for FPV. Setup, optional. Detail camera and video transmitter. Miscellaneous. Connectors, wires, zip ties, etc. 3. Assembly of the drone. 3.1. Assemble the frame. Show the frame. Demonstrate how to assemble a pre-made frame or build one from scratch. 3.2. Mount the motors. Visuals indicate motor placement and direction, clockwise versus counterclockwise. Ask questions. Why is motor orientation important? 3.3. Connect the ESCs. Soldering steps. Show soldering connections from ESCs to motors, emphasizing safety techniques. 3.4. Install the flight controller placement. Demonstrate where and how to secure the flight controller.
Everything starts with the
Wiring.
right kit.
Connect ESCs
Assemble
to
the
flight
frame
controller.
with precision.
3.5. Add the battery
Mount your
installation.
brushless motors.
Show how to securely attach the
Solid
battery to the
solder
frame with
joints
foam
are
tape
key.
or Velcro.
Install the flight
3.6.
controller.
Configure the transmitter
Secure
and
your
receiver
power
binding
source.
process. Explain how
Lock
to bind
on
the
the
receiver to the
propellers.
transmitter.
Sync your
Connecting
settings
wires.
and data
Show
flight.
connections from the receiver to the flight
And
controller.
you're ready for takeoff.
4. Propellers installation. Demonstrate installation. Indicate how to attach propellers securely and safely. Orientation tips. Mention the importance of proper propeller orientation. 5. Configuring the flight controller. 5.1. Download software. Link resources.
Castings. A carbon
Mention
fiber
software
frame,
options,
250
for
to
example,
450
Betaflight,
millimeters.
and where to
Brushless
download.
motors, check the kV rating,
5.2.
and 4 ESC.
Calibration visual demonstration. Show how to connect the flight controller to a computer. Real-time step. Guide through calibrating the accelerometer and setting up flight modes. 6. Test the drone. 6.1. No propeller check. Conducting tests. Show how to test motor functionality without propellers. 6.2. Attach propellers and conduct a hover test. Visual aids mix in clips of the hover test in a safe, open area. Tips. During flight, discuss how to gently increase throttle and observe stability. 7. Safety. Tips for flying. 7.1. Flight area selection. Choose a suitable location. Highlight the importance of flying in open and safe spaces. 7.2. Pre-flight checks. Final checks. Show a checklist to go through before flying. 7.3. Using protective gear recommendation. Emphasize wearing safety goggles and following local regulations. 8. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize what you've built and what viewers learned. Encouragement. Inspire viewers to customize and experiment with their drones. Call to action. Ask viewers to like, share, subscribe, and comment with questions or their experiences. 9. Outro final
Everything
thoughts.
starts with the
Leave
right
viewers
kit.
anticipating your next
Assemble
project
the
or
frame
video.
with precision.
Video production tips.
Mount your brushless
Engaging
motors.
opening. Use an eye-catching intro that
Solid
packs a
solder
punch.
joints are key.
Editing. Utilize graphics
Install
to
the
highlight
flight
important
controller.
points and steps.
Secure
Background
your power
music.
source.
Choose music that complements
Lock
the
on
content
the
without
propellers.
overpowering voiceovers.
Sync your settings
Voiceover
to
or
take
subtitle.
flight.
Ensure explanations
ready
are
for
clear,
takeoff.
either through vocal commentary or subtitles. Final note. Be sure to
Castings.
encourage
A carbon
interaction
fiber
by
frame,
asking viewers
250
to
to
leave
450
comments about their
millimeters.
drone builds,
Brushless
tips,
motors,
or
check
any
the
issues
KV
they might
rating,
encounter.
and 4 ESC.